Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch2React and welcome to our beginner tutorial series, and now we have come to part 5 and let's talk about how you can work with symbols. If you use Sketch, you are very familiar with the concept of symbols, of course. So let's check out what I have done here. It looks like this in code. So let's say that we want to use this. This is our component. We want to be able to reuse this and change the text and the images and copy this. Check, 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 check. Of course. What's the purpose of symbols if you can't copy them? So I have we can zoom in here on how this looks. I will share the file, of course, with you. We have a container, and inside that container we have a row with margin. We have a rectangle here, which is 4 pixels high. And then we have text block there, and then we have image block there, and then we have another rectangle there. So let's convert this whole thing to a symbol. And how do you do that? You just do like this, and as usual, create symbol. Let's call this one block, like that. So let's check out in our code app that this still works. It works. So we can just duplicate this now, like that, and let's check out in our code app. There it is, the copy. So let's just change some stuff here, like that. Save and check it out. Boom, very nice. Looks like that. Let's put some more text here, like that. And let's change the image. Important here is that you need to have the same ratio. I have a lot of these images here. Let's take this one. This is nice. Like that. Let's save. And remember now, if you don't relink your sketch file, you will not see the latest image, like that. Very important to remember this. I talked about this in the other tutorial. This is really cool. So let's say that let's show you the power of this, of working like that. Let's go into the symbol and change something. We want to change, right now we have, let's say that we want to have more padding between the lines. Say we want to have 64 pixels padding, like that. You change this in one place, and here it changes everywhere. That is really, really neat. So that was too much. Let's just change this back. Let's zoom in a bit here. Margin 16. Like that. Return to instance. Check it out. Much nicer. That's it. That was everything I had today.